Hello guys, now we are going to continue with the tutorials. In our last video, we ended at that is branding. Okay, that is for instance, you don't want your customers or your users to know that you are reselling a CloudHost Ghana uh, server, or let's say hosting. So in that case, you have to rebrand it, or you have to customize it in such a way that the cPanel logo will bear your uh, your server, or let's say your brand. Okay, that is your logo or your brand name, and uh, that's why that part is very very important. Okay, and now today we are going to look at how to install WHMCS. So the question is, what is WHMCS? That is what about the billing system. Okay, because your customers need to make payments in order to be able to rent some of your uh, package, or buy some of the package from you. So you need a billing system that will take care of those things for you by sending invoice, creating invoice, and other stuff. Okay, and it can also automate everything for you, including suspension account, terminating account, and everything. You don't have to do anything manually. It is in charge for all those activities. So the most popular billing system that we are going to use in this training is WHMCS. In fact, it's quite expensive. Our reseller hosting package comes with a free WHMCS license key. First, let's check WHMCS pricing. Okay, so let's go to the official website, enter WHMCS pricing. Let's click that and go to the pricing here. And we can see that for up to 250 active clients, we will pay almost $25 per month. So we are talking about $300 per year. Okay, and it's too much to me, but there's nothing we can do. But we are giving free WHMCL lances when you buy a package from us. So let's go straight to our dashboard. So first of all, just click login here and enter your email and password, and it will bring you to your dashboard as you can see from my screen. So here I can just locate my reseller accounts, and I can go to manage here. I can just go down here and I can see login to cPanel. So just click that and we are on our control panel. Or now, can I call it Royal Host panel? Okay, because we have rebrand the panel. Okay, from CloudHost to Royal Host. So your customers or your users will also see the same brand name here. Okay, so now what do we do? First, we are going to install WHMS. We can just go straight to Softaculous. Click that. Then we can go straight to WHMCS install. Then we can just select the version that we want. But it's quite unfortunate that the version that I want to install is not here. That is 8.10.0. Okay, it's not here. I don't know why they have removed it, but I don't have it here. So we will do it manually. Okay, you will do it manually. So let's go back, click here, and go back to your cPanel. So here, this is what we are going to do. First, let's download the WHMCS software. So click new tab, enter CloudHost. So cloudhost.com/WHMCS10. Okay, just enter that. Okay, and click enter. It will take you to where you can download the resources. Okay, so over here you can just let me click that. You will see save here. Okay, save here. So just It says file has been transferred. Yes, I've already done that. That's why I can see this text on my screen, but you will not see that when you enter that. Okay, or I can just, yeah, that's the fact. So just go ahead and save the file to your computer. So just click save and do that. I already have the file, so I'm not going to proceed to that. So I will go back here. Now let me show you where the file is. So it's here. Okay, it's in this folder. When you this the file, okay, after downloading it, you get something like this. Okay, don't extract it, just leave it. Now let's come back here. Over here, locate file management. Click here, locate file manager. Click that, and we are, you see, in our last video we added that is a subdomain, if you do remember. Yes, let me show you. I think I've deleted. Let me click domains and subdomain. Okay, I still have it here, but I've deleted the main folder from my file manager, so you may see yours here. Don't be confused about it. This time, as I said earlier, we are going to install the WHMCS inside the public underscore HTML. Okay, yes, so we are going to install in this folder. So straight away, double click that and go to upload. Okay, just double click and go to upload, and we can now open this file, drag this, not this one, drag this one and drop it here. Simple as that. Let's wait for let's wait. Okay, it's ongoing. Hope you can see that. So we have to wait. Okay, so as you can see, it's successful. Okay, so I will close that, and now we have this. So this is what we need to do. Okay, so you can see that we have this here, you compress. So click that and click that. Okay, so now it's successful. So this is what we are going to do. We need to delete this from there. It's very, very important because we don't need it anymore. We have already extract the file, and this is the file, so we need to delete this. So I will come back here and click that, check this and click delete. So we are done with that. The WHMCS file is inside this one. Okay, and I don't want that. I want the file to be inside the public, okay, not another folder. So I will double click that, or I will open that, select all, then I will go to move, then I will come here and select public underscore. After that, I can go down here and click move. So the files are inside the public underscore. It's no more this one. When I click there is no file. But when I go into public underscore, I can see that the file is here. I can go down here and delete this WHMCS folder. We don't need it. So I can just click here, select it and click here. Or you can just go straight here and click that. Check this to remove it completely. Okay, so now we have added the files inside the public underscore HTML. So we are going to now run the installation command. And to do that, first we have to enter the domain name. My domain name is cloudhostgh.online. Okay, this is the domain name. Okay, then you add /install. Install. Okay, so if your domain name is ereader.com, it will be ereader.com/install. Then you click enter. Okay, so now we are here. We can go continue, agree. Okay, beginning installation. Good. So here we have to enter our Landsys key. This is a Landsys key. Now let me show you where to get a Landsys key. Go back to your dashboard here. Okay, if you are here, if you are not here, then I will advise you to locate it. This is your reseller account. Go to manage, and after that you can see downloads. Click that, and you can see the WHMCS key and lances.php. Click that to download it. When you finish, you will see a file like this one. Just right click that and extract here. Good. And you see another folder inside. Click that, open this one, copy the lances key from here. Just copy the lances key, come back here and enter the key here. Okay, good. Here is local, maintain it, and here enter 3306. Good. And here we can make it irredia. Okay, irredia is okay, or just use your own username. It's very important. And here you have to enter database username and database password. Okay, so we are going to enter database username and database password. So let me remove that. Let's come back to our dashboard here, and we are going to create a database name. So we will come back here, go to my SQL manager. Then we are going to create a database. So add database, and maybe I want to name it as WHMC S20, but let's say 25 or 25. Just give it any name that you want. Here, don't change the character, leave it as default. Name, don't select. If you have a name here, don't select it. Just go with create a new user, and here you will enter the same name that we have here. Okay, 25, the same thing. Leave everything as default. You can even decide to keep this password, but you need to save the password somewhere. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this password. I can decide to make it very complex, make it symbols, and the characters 15 characters. So then click here and regenerate a strong one. I can copy that, and I just open a sticky note. Okay, and this is my sticky note. So the password, I will paste the password. So this is my database password, and then username, the WHMCS username. Let me finish with that. We'll come to that. So let's go down here, and under privilege, click here. Just click here. Okay, just click anywhere, or just click here. Okay, because of black and white we can see it, but here click there and check all. Okay, good. After that, click save. Now we have the database name here and database username here. So I can select this one because the name and the database name and the username are the same. So just select one of them, and I think we already have the password is here, so I will just paste that. Okay, good. So now let's proceed. Let's come back to the installation. So the database username is this, and then database name too is the same thing. So the password, we will copy the password from here. Let me copy the password and come here and paste the password. Good. I can click continue. Good. Now here we have to enter our details. So here I'm going to use the name of my son. So that is first name is Darius, and the last name is Amuapon. Okay, the email that I want to use, you can go with this one. That is info at crowdhost crowdhostgh.online. Okay, so you have to create a business email for your hosting domain. Okay, good. And password, let's say I want to use the same password that is the database password. Okay, I'm not asking you to use the same thing, but you can use it. Okay, or you can use a different one. So I'll paste them here and here. For the username, I want to maintain irredia. That is okay, and click complete. Okay, so now it's successful. So we have two important things that we need to do. It's very, very important. So the first one is to delete installation folder. So let's come back here to the Power Manager, and we can see installation, install here. So select that and delete this one. Okay, so it's successful. Okay, so it's successful. Now, after that, let's come back and see the next thing. We have to create a Chrome job. Okay, so that's, let's go to our control panel here, and let me click on the logo. So go down, you see Chrome tab, click that. So we are going to create a Chrome job. Okay, so add new Chrome. And here we have to add a command. Let's go to the installation. We can see the command here. Select all, copy that, come back here and paste the command here. We want to describe this Chrome job, okay, so that it will help us to identify this job. Okay, so make it WHMCS 25. Okay, good. And you can just give it any name that you want. Okay, good. Here you can click here and make it once per 5 minutes. This one, select that. After that, just save the Chrome, and we have that. We have done that. Now we are done. We can now go back here, and I can go ahead and click go to admin area. It's not successful. Don't worry. We have already spent 17 minutes. What that I want to say right now is thank you for watching. Our next video, we will look at how to resolve this issue. Bye bye.